morning, Lindorians! Today is beach day. Even though I feel like absolute and look like absolute crap, we're still gonna go and have fun because my baby cousin Christy just came back from Miami, and then my older cousin is Monica. She's taking us to the beach. I'm excited because we haven't been to the beach all summer, and it is like July 25th, and I'm like, what am I doing with my life? I live in Florida. I should be going to the beach at least every other week. Like, it's right there. It's 20 minutes away from my house. There's literally several beaches 20 minutes away from my house, and I haven't gone all summer. So I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna try to have some fun and not be like the damper, even though I feel like I'm gonna feel better later on as the day goes on, but right now I'm just like so yeah, so I'll be vlogging for you guys today while we go on our family beach trip.
Did you wear my nail polish?
My cousin is finally here, looking all fly and shit. Okay.
Oh shit. Okay, I need to call.
Let's go. That's our in-law. He's like, we need to go.
But what about the sunscreen? Y'all boys think just because we black?
No, yeah, for real, guys. Don't listen to them. You can still get skin cancer even though you black. Let me stop. So I had just found out I'm wearing a custom-made dress that my grandma had made. We call it a muumuu. It's like a very traditional Haitian dress, but it looked good on me. So, and then I just was. Okay, yeah, we're going. Bye. As I predicted, we have not left for the beach yet, and it is almost noon. But my older cousin and her boyfriend went to go get stuff from Walmart. So we're just waiting for them to come back. And we have no idea what beach we're going to. So this should be fun, I guess. I'm just ready to like get outside before I change my mind and just stay home and sleep. Because I'm like really under the weather. And I don't know. But I'm trying to like, get in the summer spirit. Because we haven't been to the beach all summer. So, yep. See you guys when they get here. So my older cousin came, and we have 2 cars because that's how many people are coming. They rolled up in an Escalade because she's house sitting for her mentor, and her mentor is a lawyer, and they're on vacation. So we're using her car, and then we're using her boyfriend's car, and then we're gonna get to the beach.
You want to tell them our social security number too?
What? I'm not telling everybody their business. I didn't say the name. I didn't say Monica's mentor's name. Okay, dang. All I said was she a lawyer and she went on vacation. They don't even know who I'm talking about. But yeah, we in the big leagues now. Christy said, so how long is it gonna take you to become a lawyer? I was like, dang, don't be telling your sister that. You gonna make her feel bad. First of all, Monica ain't got her driver's license yet.
That's not what I asked. She better get it together.
Oh, whatever.
Cause you know every morning I wake up, yeah, I still
This is where Elijah got a job at as a freaking lifeguard. And her little dumb house said no.
Why?
I don't wanna fight tonight. I'ma let you be right. We can make up if you just kiss me at the next traffic light. I don't wanna fight tonight. I'ma let you be right. Let you be right.
Yo, I got that one. You guys bring umbrellas or do we gotta pay them?
Didn't I have an umbrella? With what?
Where are we?
Singer Island.
Can you say that with enthusiasm?
I'm not excited yet until I see the ocean.
We're at Singer Island.
We're like slit. Bethune-Cookman did not sit on the train.
What?
And say no.
Okay, anyways, we're at Singer Island in
I'm so
Riviera.
excited for this.
Ready.
You understand what it
Beach
got.
ready.
Well, I
There's
feel
like a
like
lot
I
of people
had
here
to
though, so we'll see how this is going. It's a
This is
Wednesday.
great. What it
I
got.
don't understand how there's so
And I
many people
still
here,
feel-
but it's fine.
I don't know about y'all, but I like
When you're darker than everyone else in the group.
Ain't nobody throwing the phone.
whole group is all the way back there.
I got time for this. I'm trying to find the next shade.
You're girl.
Wait, say it again. Say hi.
Say hi, vlog.
Look, I got your floaty.
Yay!
Fully up. Alright. Put this up here. Come on.
Oh my god.
I need to take off my pants.
Okay, so take off your pants.
I wasn't thinking. You gotta put your hand through it. Okay, you're there. Almost there. Alright, you're safe now. Look at you. You can sit. I got you. Say hi. I got you. Why you sitting?
This is the biggest slice of pizza I've ever seen. I don't know if y'all can see this, but we're eating pizza now. You know, just chilling, relaxing. The guys are at
Hey,
the
grandma,
the water,
Right
but
now.
yep, grandma living her life.
Look, she's posing. Okay, boo boo. Hey, I'm trying to get you up. Let's go y'all
Missy's afraid of the water, so we're letting her make sandcastles. Meanwhile, the rest of the family is out in the water.
It is 94 degrees outside. It is almost 2 o'clock. And I'm really hoping it'll rain because I heard thunder. But I know it's probably not gonna rain, but I just want it to rain. Like, so bad. Like, it's so hot. And I can't go into the water for reasons not to be discussed. But it's a nice day out. We took some pictures. I'm gonna post them later. They're really bomb. So it's going to rain, like I predicted. So we're going to Monica's mentor's pool at her house. I'm looking forward to it. The pool I can't go into. So excited. Beach day just got extended into a full-on summer day.
Yes, because these 2 boxes, they're gone. Everyone ate these and not that. So it's
Okay, so we made it to Gardens and we're at the house now, and then we're at the beach, the pool.
Look at Monica.
Look at Betsy. Betsy not scared.
I don't know how to swim.
I don't know how to swim either. Betsy, say, mommy, it's okay.
liar.
Dang, David, putting the girl out.
Let's take the picture.
Bro, Christy over here. We're having a great time at the pool right now. I can't even swim and I'm in the pool. Like, it's whatever now. Like, if I die, I'm joking. I took it way too far.
I went on the footy thing and they tried to flip me over, so I flipped myself over. And they're having pictures over here.
Polo. Polo. Polo.
Polo.
Polo.
You guys are fake. They're trying to drown Christy.
Polo.
You guys are so fake.
Polo.
I don't know what I'm saying. When you try to make a video and you don't know the lyrics, so you're just like.
That one tried to drown me multiple times in the deep end.
Christy, he's gonna flip you over. Get ready. He gonna flip you over. Hold your breath. Bro, Bissy's been diving in. She have no care in the world. She's like, I'm about to dive in. Got it. She don't care. She don't care. It's almost time to go, but you know, we're still in the pool chilling. The pool has like holographic towels, and I'm living for it.
This is real nice towels.
Oh. I scraped myself, but you know, it's okay.
Huh?
Okay. Well, we're leaving now.
Okay, so like I said, we're leaving now. We're going home because one of our cousins has to go to work, and my grandma's complaining about how she wants to go back home. And my other cousin, who is house watching this house, has to go out to dinner with the daughter of the mom of this house. I'm gonna get out. Okay, bye. This is the cutest dog ever. I don't even like dogs, y'all. See, look, it's friendly.
Look at that.
Wow, it likes you, Vinci.
Okay, that's enough looking. You look at the dogs. And she's sick. I want her to get sick.
Oh, she got
Get
scared.
up, get up. You good? Christine. Say this. Come here, baby.
Oh, come here.
Yeah, see, look, you just pet it. Pet the dog. No, don't touch the child. She don't like the dog, but the dog loves her, so she's gonna keep going up to her.